Da 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 da. It's the Petey Show, starring Petey the Cockatiel. In this episode, crackers. Brought to you by Keebler Townhouse Flipsides pretzel crackers in cheddar. Petey, what you doing, buddy? Are you hungry? Say, I'm always hungry, Mommy, especially when you got Keebler Townhouse Flipsides pretzel crackers in cheddar. Ta-ta-ta! Look at that. He thinks he's people. Taking a cracker about as big as his, even bigger than his head, and just nomming it to his heart's content. And going for more. No, that's enough. You look like you've been eating Cheetos. You probably have when I haven't been looking. Of course, that means you have to go to the convenience store. Alright. Say goodbye.